National Federation for New State Northeast India hne jadmit jong arp khnai trik unaitung arhajar arpsan klapan long ya jingilang nongbah shillong bandawa jylla nak sorkar kemi hagni jingilang ladon lang nadu kinongelam jong kaseng HSPDP ka Garulan State Movement Committee ka Indigenous People Front of Tripura but ka Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State Karbi Anglong abai kren chikelat pathai kubor hadin jong ka jingilang udkhot joka NFNS uba kipi pangnang ulai thu bahagni ka jingilang ka kanhun kala shim ya artali kirai kata ban pankhlanya ka jingdawa na ka banta banyo jylla la ka jong bat kumjuru ban pene pansa e ka jinglong tanrai jong kirit pat hapo ki jylla jong ka thain stay la mingi chu lai thuru ba ka kanhun kala rai bakin Leke kendu yang menteri BDP ya katanat kampo yang juk sorkar kami bat banbu daga dorkhas halor ki jingdawa ban ai jylla la kajong susu lai thuru baka kanhun kalarai bahaw benai no pra nagaleng jong ka kanhun kan lek ban penlong da jingiakhih shong kalany mongor hajan tar mantar ha New Delhi bat baki kanhun ba pher ke badon hapok satri juga NFNS kin sawan bani shimandalang bat penpau ki jingdawa jongki nak sorkar pedeng bagi kanhun nas than ki stay lamingi ki kwa banyo la ka jong ki jylla ka batamai hakni ki jingilang le don lang nadu unikman CH Marak Deputy CM ka GHADC ubadai Vice President jongka NFNS Stanlin Ingti ubadai General Secretary paduba kipi pangnang ubadai udkhot jongka NFNS bat kiwei di kinoelam na keleng saudong jong ki jylla kathan stay la mingi
the Secretary of National Federation for New State and the Chairman of Joint Action Committee for Autonomous State Karbi Anglong. So I welcome you to our first meet. At the very outset, I would like to details our outcome of our today's meeting. Our meeting decided that delegations will move to Delhi after 20 September. After 20 September, no, after 20 August, 23rd August, after 23rd August, and we are decided to hold a dharna in Jantar Mantar in the month of December. This is the outcome of today's meeting. As National Federations is organizations of joint organizations in Northeast, we have IPFT, Daka, HSPDP, yes, and Garulan State Demand Committee. 4 organizations we have. As now, I would like to say that our movement and our demand is not a new demand; it is an old demand. Some organization is demanding their statehoods before independence, and some are after independence. Our Karbi also demanding state at the time of APHLC, but unfortunately, Karbi cannot attain statehood like our brother Garo and Khasi Jaintia. But we never stop our movement. We are continuing our struggling, and our mass movement was started in 1986 and in 2013 when Telangana state was given. And as our movement and as per our demand, the government of India has called us for tripartite talk in Delhi. But now our tripartite talk have been stopped. So through this press meet, we demand the central government, the union government, to start the tripartite talk with Daka as well as with all the members organization on National Federation for New States. Immediately, we demand to start our tripartite talks. Thank you.
A repeat of what the Secretary of NFNS has just spoken. We are from the meeting, we have come to the resolution that we are going to meet as delegation to the Union Home Minister after the 23rd of this August, and we will seek an appointment with him through our the vice president, one vice president, that is the Sukula and Nakursia from Tripura. He is the current cabinet minister in Tripura government. He will be he will seek an appointment on behalf of the National Federation for New States. And secondly, as our secretary has already spoken, we had a resolution to hold a dharna in the month of December during the winter session. And this dharna will include all the constituent members. All the constituent members will be in the dharna and demands the separate state for the constituent member of NFNS. And we hope this resolution will fulfill, and this resolution will be fulfilled in the coming days. Thank you.
If you can tell us, National Federations was formed at the time of Telangana state demand and movement, and now we have in Northeast 5 federations in the members: Karbi, Garo, Khasi, Tripura, and Kuki. Oh, no, 6. Bodoland. And in apart from Northeast, we have Gorkha, Vidarbha, Bundelkhand, and Leh Ladakh. At present, we have this much members.
How many meetings have you had in the past? And coming together, do you think that the center will listen to your demand? And
We hope so. And we, for Northeast, this for first time, this is the historic meeting we had in Shillong. But National Federations meeting was held in different places. In Tura also we had a meeting, and in Tripura, Karbi Anglong, Vidarbha, Delhi, Tripura, and so every year we had a national meeting. But for Northeast, this is the first time, and this is the historic meeting in Shillong.
Bahasa ni mau ya ka jylla jungi Meghalaya marga jingdon jungi kini ki Southly kiseng jadi ki organization haga kaping jong the National Federation of New State kabumut ki organization ki badawa yala ki jong ki jylla ki batmai ba ni ki Southly ki stakeholder lani ki organization ni yo ban shong hangni hasilong takasni ki badai jong ka Northeast India ki yang ni kat kum ki keteng ni labu bidon hane ka PDP bidon hane ka Garudan State Movement Committee bidon hane ka kani ka let me IPFT mo coba na po ka Tripura State jadi ki ong ka Tripalan ang tabat na po ka Joint Committee jong ka Autonomous Demand Committee jong ka Karbi Anglong te ngidon hangni ka kidikot ru jong ka Federation of New State te mata kasi ngilashim katuk ni ki rai bangin yai pen klan ya ka jing yeng jongi jing trelang jongi jing dawa jongi na la ka ta ki jong ki state na ka benta ban ne sa ila ka jing long tenrai ka jing long jet lui ba per jong ki tribal ko Northeast but kumjuru ya ka jing long la ka jong ka identity la ka jong ka tin ka thli te ngisum tu bangim la ban yen tang hala ka jong organization te nak ta ka daw ni ibadan ko ka Northeast region ni le don lang ha ka chatri jong ka national state federation ha ka baya baro jing dawa ka jongi ni yo ban ya ta ka san lang iwei te mata ka si ni la bu ko bai ka rai ka long ba leng ba ka ni da jingalam ta ka si ringkat bat ka federation bangin yo kalak ban ya kendu ya ka soccer India kamtam yo home minister jong ka re India jongi bangin yo ya ka ban bu ya ki memberandam ki jongi bat nila perkat ba lakum nukum nu ngin yo hadin uni benai agos subanwan haki arsau ber absantrik chaneng ikwa ban yo appointment choki ban nila shani highway ni coachman jungi iba nikman ibulong coachman jongka federation ringkat bat u secretary jungi iba Stalin ingti napo karbi anglong ba ki le appointment bat kesukan India kabar pat ngi la yarai ba kumjule malagasnam bedon hakani ka lama jong federation jong new states ba ha ubnai December nginyo ya ka sit in demonstration kemut kajing ya shonglang jungi baro kikenun dawa state haka nongbah Delhi hapo jantar mantar kumbangila sedang nadu kesem arjar pulai teter bahangtu ngin summit ika membarandang bat in krenru nala kajong kijing dawa kajongi ringkat bat ki flag demonstration ke bangin le antai ban pentip siapa surkar India negeri India bangidon kini kiken hun ban dawa ila kajong ki state pertama aka syatri jong ka National Federation of New States.